na po ang aming mga linya ng telepono. It's Talk Tuesday on Kababayan Today. Kung kayo po ay tumatawag, be patient. If you're joining us, if you're joining us from Hawaii on Kiko Network, pasensya na po, you're getting us on a delayed telecast, so no need to call because we are unable to take your phone calls. What we're taking right now are phone calls from Southern California, asking our masters here on the show to talk about what year of the wooden horse will bring to us. Next caller on the line is... she's going to be asking about the year of the rooster. Magandang hapon po sa'yo, Elizabeth.
Hi, good afternoon, Janelle.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm always watching your program. You are really good. I don't feel good today. I'm sick.
Oh, maraming salamat for joining us. I'm sorry to hear that you're sick. Get well soon po. Maybe it's in the year of the rooster. Let's talk about health first.
Okay.
Year of the rooster.
Yeah, I was born November 26, 1945.
1945.
All right, it's like this. Last year, what I'm saying, last year, in the Chinese calendar, your age is 69.
Okay.
In Chinese, when you say 9, hindi magandang sign yun. 19, 29, 39, 49, 59. So it's kind of like the health. You really need to take care of yourself. Do some. You need to not go to the hospital and saying,
get yourself checked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Anything else?
Well, actually, this year for the rooster, right? Things are actually pretty good. Probably from last year it was not as good, but this year
it will pick up.
It should be happy. Health-wise, okay siya.
Yeah. Okay. And economy, ang pera?
Maganda rin.
Maganda.
Okay,
Kasi
maganda
ang
rin.
rooster, for all the other signs, it's ranked number 2 in terms of luck.
In terms of luck. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And who's number 1 again?
Well, goat and pig.
Goat and pig. Goat and pig and rooster yan. Very
Those
lucky
are very
this
lucky.
year. Letty is joining us from Long Beach. Letty.
Yes, Janelle,
Yes,
I would like to know what is my luck. My birthday is January 27, 1941. Yesterday, I turned 73.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
All right.
January.
January 27, 1941, ang kanyang birthday.
Exactly.
Anong year siya?
Actually, he was born on the age of a year of a snake.
Okay.
Same thing as my mom. Okay. Hindi siya na kasi pag kung late early than that 26, hindi siya snake.
Okay.
He should be a dragon.
So kung snake siya, what does that mean?
No, that means this year. She's okay, she's good. Of course, pagka sinasabi nga nila na is like 1941, she's already 73. Well, much than saying that, kailangan mag-ingat siya. Huwag siya magmadali.
Okay.
In terms of the health.
Okay.
At yung saying like maglakad siya, hindi na tayo dapat magmadali kung saan pupunta.
Okay. All right. So mag-ingat.
Meron siyang illness star in your sign this year. That means that there's minor sickness that come to you, like a flu,
Okay.
Fatigue,
Right.
throat problems,
Okay.
So she has to watch it this year.
All right. Okay. Next, I think we have time for another call. Aries is on the line. Aries, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Yeah, hello. Magandang hapon, Janelle. My name is Aris. Yeah, I was born April 29, 1959, year of the pig.
1959, year of the pig. Go ahead, Willie.
Well, this year pig is very good.
No.
The one thing that you need to do is that career-wise, everything's going to be working your way. But the one thing that you have to watch out for, just because things are working your way, not to flaunt. Yeah, because then other people's going to target you and you're going to
Kakainggitan siya.
Yes, people
Okay.
are going to talk behind your back. So what you need to do is be very humble and low profile.
Very low key. All right. But you're gonna be very lucky.
Yeah, pig
All
is
right.
very good this year.
Okay. Colors, lucky colors. We didn't talk about that. Meron bang ganon? Lucky colors, bad colors. Ano lucky color ng pig?
Well, the lucky colors ng pig, black, white, blue. Yeah, those are good colors. So wearing that will bring out the luck more, even
Right.
more.
By the way, this year color is red, blue, black, and silver.
This year.
Yeah,
Okay,
but hindi lahat ng tao
magsusuot ng ganon.
magsusuot ng pula.
Okay.
Sa akin, I prepared because we're celebrating Chinese New Year on the 30th. I encourage people to wear red on that
day, okay.
day. But on the 31st, on the Chinese New Year,
Sa Friday mismo.
sa Friday mismo, kung like you were born under the age of under the year of a rat, tiger, dragon, horse, monkey, dog. More on the dark side.
Dark side. Okay, we'll talk about the snake when we return. I was born year of the snake. Don't go away.